is that you would bring the world to our backyard and ask us to love them well, teach them well, and prepare them to succeed at home. Yeah, that's it. I said, Mike, that's not a string. That's the Willy Wonka golden ticket. And absolutely we'll do it. That's what we do day in and day out. Well, he had already gone through our website and realized that we did that not only in this recluded thing called Narrogate Lodge, where guys 18 to 25 step away from society for 8 months to really figure out who they are and why they're here. But we had then subsequently launched a wood and leather products manufacturing business, hiring our graduates. So we do it not only in this recluded learning, but also in the market space. I said, yeah, we'll do it, but I got to be honest. I'm not sure why you would want us to do that when the best woodworking school in North America, and maybe in the world, is 20 miles that way. And Mike went, oh, no, we don't know anybody down at Marc Adams School of Woodworking. I said, well, I'm having supper with him and Susie tonight. You want me to bring it up? And he said, absolutely. So I brought it up to Mark, and you guys know Mark. Mark said, when do we start? I said, well, next year, preferably. So we got out the calendar and we found a slot. And that slot was now. And Mark and Susie gave up an entire weekend and week of class to create this thing that we're now doing, where we're bringing sawmills in and teaching people, like Picos. Have y'all met Picos? Wave like that, Picos. Like Picos, who's from Liberia, or like Dr. Mike Henderson and this Garland Whitus. Have y'all met Garland? Pro sawyer for Wood-Mizer. He so far has processed 27 billion board feet of timber, I think, was at last count. But these guys,
my dreams.
Huh? In your dreams? And Bryce, where's Bryce? Bryce Toole. These guys go back and forth to Uganda regularly. Or Dale Flora, who's sitting in the back, who's been to Fiji twice already. Or Dick Pence. Where are you at, Dick? I know you're in here somewhere. Or Dick Pence, whose children right now, and have been since 2004, is that right? How long have you kids been?
2003.
2003, reside in Papua New Guinea, trying to do the very thing that we're talking about doing. So we said, what if we brought them here and we actually trained them on how to do everything from taking a log to lumber to educational furniture, a finished project, chairs, tables, and desks that can have multi-purpose, where that table can be disassembled and reassembled into a bed frame so that kids actually have a place to sleep when they have to travel too far from the village they reside in to the village where the new school exists. What if we can actually build education and economy in these foreign countries? And in that scenario, teach people that there is hope in life. What if we could do that? Now, our original idea was to actually bring guys from those countries who currently reside in those countries. But as you know, visa acquisition in the current political climate is a little more difficult than it used to be. So we're having to take some different routes to get to that visa solution. And it's going to be next year before we can get them here. So in the meantime, we're taking this week to train trainers so that we can build kits and send to them and get the process started. And that's what this week is all about.